Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create hugging video with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I recommend you to visit this website to create hugging video. You can visit video.com and then you have to log into this website to use the AI in this website to create hugging video. As you can see, I have logged in and then I'm going to show you how we can create hugging a video. Here we can choose image to video and then you can upload first image and second image you want to make hug. And for instance, I'm going to choose wait guys, I'm still choosing photo from my device. I'm going to choose this one for instance for the first image. And wait, now the image is being uploaded and then I'm going to upload second image. And for the second image I'm going to choose wait, I'm going to choose this one. And then I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, then you can add the prompt, make them hug. Okay, then choose the duration guys. I'm just going to choose 8 seconds. Oops. Okay, and I'm just going to leave it like that. And we can click on create. Okay, you just need to patiently waiting for the result. Okay, and this is the result guys. I'm going to play it. Alright, and if you want to download it, you can click on this icon and the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create hugging a video using AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.